Drew, what you eating? What you got?
Meatloaf with corn and green beans.
Who made it for you?
My uncle.
Uncle who?
Uncle Henry.
That's what's up. Is it good?
It's a bomb diggly.
It's the bomb diggly. You sure it's the bomb diggly and not the bomb diggity? Look at that.
Bomb diggity.
That's the bomb diggity right there. What's up, Devin?
Hi.
How's the food?
Good.
Good? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's good. That's great.
Hi.
You guys both have Sprite. Hey, Soraya.
Hi.
It's your 2 seconds of fame, baby. Hey, Kingston. How's it going? What you drinking there? You're drinking water, right?
Yeah.
Kinam bahana.
Water.
Let me see. Don't stick your hand in there.
He's drinking water.
He's drinking water. Say bye. Can you say bye to the camera?
Bye.
That's what's up. All right.